Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon brand camera and it's giving you an ERR99, so a 99 error on the display, and you're trying to figure out what this is and what you can do about it. So the ERR99 indicates an internal electronics error, sometimes with a sensor with the lens. And so what you need to do, you might end up needing to contact Canon, but before you do that, some sort of troubleshooting that you should do is starting with just turning it off, taking the battery out, and leaving the battery out for a minute, putting it back in and turning it back on. And that'll clear the error out. Now, if the error persists, I would recommend you kind of do the same thing, but in a more extreme fashion, which is turn it off, take the battery out, take the memory card out, take the lens off, let everything sit for 10 minutes, then put everything back together and try it again. If that doesn't work, I would go to step 3 of a similar thing, which is turn the camera off, take the battery out, take the lens off, take the memory card out, get a cloth like a microfiber and wipe down any sensors or anything like that between the camera housing and the lens, and then put in a different memory card and a different battery, turn it on, and try it again and see if that fixes the problem. And hopefully something like that will clear this problem out and get your camera working again. Anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.